Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, this video we're gonna go over Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, and over some altcoins that are popping off, guys. Great news, guys. Looks like Bitcoin is about to break 100K. It is a green day today. Look at the bubbles. Everything is most of everything is green. Just a few are on the red. A lot of the old coins are popping off, like XRP, XLM, even ADA's popping off. It's 21% up for the day. Another older coin, Algo, is up 24% for the day. Doge is up 14% for the day. Avalanche, AVAX, 20% up for the day. Even DOT is up 18.6% for the day. Even VeChain, 19% for the day. LTC, 13% for the day. So things are looking good, guys. Looks like the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are in effect. It's just the beginning, guys. If you guys have never been through a bull run, this is just the beginning. You haven't seen anything yet. Once you start seeing 100% every single day for every coin, that's when we'll be right in the middle of the bull run, guys. And some of your favorite coins are gonna 10x, 100x, and some are even gonna be 1000x, guys. So get ready to make some good gains and reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. Let's get into it. Current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is 98,619. Yesterday, it did reach 99,890 on the Coinbase chart. So it is wanting to tap 100K. And I do believe it's going to break through $100,000 here within a day or two, guys. Don't be fooled. A lot of FUD out there. Some people are saying that Bitcoin's not going to go over 100,000K, that it's going to correct from 100,000K, but not in my research, guys. I wouldn't be in that boat of correcting now. I do believe Bitcoin's going to keep rallying all the way up until November 29. If you guys been seeing my videos, I've explained why I think it's going to keep rallying all the way up to November 29. But basically, Bitcoin always does a 100% move after it breaks above price discovery. Price discovery is when it breaks into new all-time highs. And the previous all-time high before Bitcoin broke into price discovery was 73,600, and it broke this all-time high on November 6th and went into price discovery. And in all previous cycles, once Bitcoin goes into price discovery, it goes into a massive rally, about 100% move, and it does it in about 3 to 4 weeks. So 100% move from 73,000 would be around 146K, and 3 weeks from November 6th is about November 27, but it could take anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks. So that's why I'm thinking, around November 29 or a few days after, sometime between November 29 and December 4th, I do see the Bitcoin rallying continuing, and until then, and I do see the Bitcoin price to be somewhere around 140K, give or take a few dollars, guys. So that's why I think the Bitcoin rally is going to continue and probably hit tonight or tomorrow, the next day, pretty soon. Bitcoin is going to break through 100,000K, and it's going to blast off after 100,000K. It's going to go through 110,000 quickly, 120,000. It's going to go right past it quickly. It's going to reach 130K, and I do see it topping off somewhere around $140,000 sometime around November 29, guys, give or take a few days. So it's going to be a good Thanksgiving, and it's going to be a good Black Friday, and it's going to be a good Thanksgiving holiday weekends, guys. But don't be shaken out, because once we top off around 140K, we are going to see a 30% correction. But don't be shaken out. Once you start seeing the correction, it's just a normal Bitcoin bull run correction, around 30% correction. After the correction, we'll probably consolidate for like 2 to 3 weeks, and then we'll get ready for the next move up, the next leg up, guys. And then once Bitcoin starts rallying, we'll surpass 140K. We'll continue on to higher prices. We'll take it day by day to see how high Bitcoin could get. But check out my Bitcoin price prediction video if you guys want to see what my price prediction video on Bitcoin is. But yeah, but everything's looking good for Bitcoin, guys. I do see us just going sideways between like 96,000 and 100,000 and like right under 100,000 maybe for a day or two. But pretty soon here we're gonna break through 100,000. We're gonna break through that glass ceiling of 100,000, reach that 100,000 Bitcoin milestone, and we're gonna continue on to higher prices. And before we get into the XRP update, let me share this video with you guys. Everybody's excited about Bitcoin. Let me share this video with you guys.
Trump, meantime, his victory rallied the stock market, and Bitcoin has run past a new milestone thanks to the president.
Indeed it has. Our own Lauren Simonetti is live in New York City with more on this. Hey, Lauren.
Hey guys, I've met so many friends because I'm here at the bar and it's after 6 o'clock at night. We are on crypto or Bitcoin 100K watch. There's the ticker. Doesn't really look like we're gonna hit it right now. And I asked these guys around me, I was like, hey, what's gonna happen if it hits the 100K? And they said, nothing, because it's going to 200 right after that. One guy said 1 million. Don't laugh at me. One guy said 1 million. I think it was 2 weeks, right, Ian? The owner of the bar was like, it's infinity. So what is going on? What is unleashing these animal spirits? Well, it's a new energy shift happening in Washington, D.C. And I do want to point out that this bar, which is a Bitcoin bar, Bitcoin enthusiasts come here. There's not many of them, if any. They're opening up in Washington, D.C. to be close to where the action is. These are my newfound friends. They're drinking beer, some of them buying it in Bitcoin. Why do you like Bitcoin so much? Short answer, because they love it so much, you'll get a book.
Bitcoin is freedom money. I'm here for the freedom. This is America. Welcome to New York.
What's going to happen in January?
In January, I mean, Bitcoin's going to the moon.
And how is that happening?
Well, Bitcoin is the best money ever created. It happens to be the best performing asset up until now. I think it will be the best performing asset going forward, and its superior properties will lead it to succeed.
So, Dagan and David, I asked the owner, I'm like, okay, so you can buy a burger like President Trump did in Bitcoin, you can buy a beer in Bitcoin, and he said, yeah, you can, but most people don't. 90% of the people who come in here pay with a credit card. That would be normal, right? 5% pay with cash, and 5% pay with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin and cash on par here, but you're gonna pay with Bitcoin right now? All right, let's do it. Okay. Let's get the bartender, and he's going to do that. And this is a use case. As Bitcoin becomes more mainstream, this is an example of the way you can use it.
This is a Bitcoin Lightning Network transaction, which is instant and nearly feeless. There is a small fee, but it's nearly instant and with like low fees.
Okay. All right. We're going to do it really quickly, and you can ask me questions as he's doing that, guys.
We got to jump, Lauren. It's just an electronic transaction.
Okay.
I love you, but we got to run. Thank you, Lauren Simonetti.
There you go, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video. Everybody's excited about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's getting mass adopted. Looks like there's even bars taking Bitcoin for payment. A lot of people and companies are taking Bitcoin for payment. I would too if I had a business and business where I could take Bitcoin for payment. I mean, why not? It's just gonna appreciate, and I'm gonna make more money than what the initial payment was for. So yeah, guys, looks like everybody's in a 100K watch for Bitcoin. Everybody's expecting Bitcoin to get to 100K, to get to that 100K milestone, and I do believe it's gonna break through $100,000 here pretty soon, guys. Now let's get right into the XRP update, guys. Another one of our favorites, Bitcoin, XRP, XLM. Got a lot of favorites. Actually, I love all cryptocurrencies. But let's get right into XRP, guys. Looks like XRP is in line to where my predictions were. If you guys been watching my videos, I've been saying that XRP is gonna keep rallying until November 24, which is tomorrow. The actual day here in the US is November 22nd at the time of recording, but the trading day is already November 23. So we got one more day that I've been saying that XRP is going to keep rallying. I said it was going to rally up to like $1.50 to $1.60, and then it's already done that. It did make a high today of 163 on the Coinbase, $1.63 on the Coinbase chart, and it has retraced already to 153 at the time of recording. So I do believe it's probably going to continue to rally for like another day, but I do see a correction coming in for XRP probably starting tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, the day after, but it's going to top off tomorrow. It'll probably start correcting, but it already reached my target price of between $1.50 and $1.60, and it already surpassed it. It got to $1.63. So hopefully you guys were paying attention to that. But I do see a correction coming, but that's not the end for XRP, guys. I do believe it's just going to be like a small correction. Last cycle in 2020, it had a massive 75% correction, but that's because during that cycle in November in 2020 was when the Ripple and SEC case had just started, so that really suppressed XRP. So that's why I had a 75% correction. But this time around, everything is bullish for XRP. President Donald Trump, who's pro-crypto, is coming into office. Gary Gensler has officially put a post out that he's going to resign on January 20 of 2025. That's when President Trump takes office. So so probably the Ripple and SEC case is going to get thrown out or settled. But I believe everything is bullish for XRP. So I do see higher prices in the future. So don't get shaken out when XRP starts correcting. If it does a 20-30% correction, it's normal. Normal in bull runs and in cryptocurrencies. I mean, cryptos run hard and then they correct hard. So don't get shaken out, guys. It's not going to be the end of XRP. But I do see a dollar being a baseline. I don't see XRP going under $1 for the rest of this bull run. So you could kiss prices under $1 for XRP goodbye. I do not see under $1 XRP prices. Maybe in the next bear market, but even that is questionable. But for the rest of the bull run, I do believe you could kiss prices under $1 goodbye for XRP, guys. So the question is did XRP already top off at $1.63? Is it going to start correcting today? The trading days are already November 23rd. I said November 24. I mean, and nothing's exact. This might be the local top for XRP. We might see a correction from now on, from today, like a 20-30% correction. But things are bullish for XRP, guys. So I mean, like, I wouldn't be selling XRP right now and try to catch like a 30% correction and then buy back in, guys. It is the parabolic bull run, and everything's going bullish for XRP. Maybe the correction won't be that hard. Maybe only be like a 15% correction. So don't be selling your XRP, guys, just because I said there's gonna be a 30% correction and try to buy back in. And again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Do your own research and only invest in markets where you're willing to lose. What I'm going to do, I could tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to hold my XRP. I'm not going to try to, sell the top, and then buy back in after 30% correction. I'm just going to hold because there might only be a 15% correction, and then, I'll just be like waiting for a 30% correction that never comes, and then, XRP will go into higher prices, and I'll miss out. So I'm just going to hold my XRP until I reach my price target. Check out my XRP and XLM price prediction videos if you want to see my price prediction. But real quick, I'll just summarize it for you guys. I do see XRP coming realistically getting up to like $15. Give or take a few dollars. That's where I see XRP topping off, and there are higher targets. Check out my XRP price prediction if you want those higher targets. But I do see realistically seeing a $15 XRP at the top of the bull run, guys. So yeah, guys, XRP has hit our targets of $1.50 to $1.60, and I said around November 24 it would do that, but it did it a day before because the trading days are already November 23rd for trading XRP. So the question is it going to continue one more day rallying, or is it going to start correcting from today on? So we will see, guys. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know. I just know my price targets were hit. So I wouldn't be surprised if $1.63 is the local top. It might do a correction, a 30% correction from $1.63, and then consolidate and continue to rally. But we'll see. Maybe it'll keep rallying one more day and make a new high tomorrow. November 24 and might make a new high. Maybe it'll go to $1.65 or $1.68. But we'll see, guys. You know, I wouldn't be selling your XRP and you know, trying to buy back in the correction, guys. I would just hold because you know, it is a parabolic bull run, and you might miss out on super gains, guys. So at least XRP did hit our price targets. I do expect a 30% correction either from $1.63 or whatever price comes in tomorrow on November 24, guys. But again, guys, I wouldn't be selling and then trying to buy back in after the correction. I would just hold and wait for my higher price targets. I mean, hopefully you already hold XRP. If for some weird reason you don't hold XRP, then the time to buy is right now, guys, because we are going to see higher prices than XRP, guys. So, but most likely you already hold XRP like I do from way lower prices. So my suggestion, my recommendation is just to hold. Don't try to sell the top and then, you know, buy back in after the correction. I would just hold because you know, things are looking very bullish for XRP, and the correction might not be that deep, guys, and it might not be that long. So just hold your XRP and you'll reap the rewards in 2025, guys. My next price target after XRP you know, is done with the correction is $2, guys. You know, so if XRP corrects 30% from $1.63, it'll probably get down to like, you know, like like $1.20 right around there, and you know, and then consolidate a little bit, and then my next price targets after that would be $2, guys. But again, guys, I do have one more day that I think the rally might continue. So you know, don't be surprised if the XRP rally continues one more day, and it might top off, you know, at higher prices like $1.68 or, you know, maybe even $1.70, guys. If the $1.63 is not the local top, but we will see what happens, guys. Because XLM actually surpassed my my prediction. I thought XLM was gonna you know, top off somewhere between like 27 cents and 30 cents, and it way surpassed my prediction. It got all the way up to 48 cents already. I said that that XLM was gonna keep rallying until November 25. That's 2 days from now, and it would top off somewhere between 27 cents or 30 cents. And it already surpassed my prediction. It already got up to 48 cents. That's why I'm thinking XRP might go one more day, and you know, maybe even get into higher prices of $1.63. But it's all up in the air, guys. You know, the best thing to do right now is just hold your XRP and XLM, and you know, reap the rewards in 2025. You probably want to sell off your XRP and XLM by March 15 of 2025. I do see things getting bearish after March 15 of 2025, but from now to March 15, everything is bullish for XRP and XLM. Of course, we're going to see corrections. You know, we're going to see corrections on XRP and XLM, either you know, starting today or tomorrow, the next day. I do expect a 30% correction for XRP and XLM, but again, don't get shaken out when that happens. It's just a normal correction for the parabolic bull runs for cryptocurrency, guys. So yeah, guys, XLM exceeded my price prediction. I expected it to be around 27 cents to 30 cents. You know, sometime by November 25th. It's the trading day is November 23rd, and it already got to 48 cents, guys. So the question is XLM going to keep rallying 2 more days and maybe even get to, like, you know, 50 cents or above, or is 48 cents the local top, and then we're going to see a 30% correction from 48 cents before it consolidates, and then it moves up to the next leg up and higher prices, guys. We shall see. I don't have a crystal ball. I just play probabilities. That's what the probability was saying from the history, the data of the history charts. So we already met that prediction, guys. So now we shall see if this is the local top or if it rallies a couple more days, guys. But again, guys, don't try to sell the tops or you know, and buy back in the correction. I would just hold your XRP and XLM and, you know, sell it sometime in 2025 to reap the rewards, guys. Most likely, I'm gonna be selling my XRP and XLM around March 15 or a little bit before that, and reap the rewards, guys. So yeah, stay bullish on XRP and XLM. Even if you see a correction right now, don't get shaken out. It's just normal. Just like Bitcoin, it's gonna have like 30% corrections throughout the bull run, and then they'll consolidate and go to the next leg up, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XRP and XLM. Stay bullish in the market. Now, before I get into the altcoins, guys, that are popping off, I got one more video I want to share with you guys to let you guys see that even the media is very bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So let me share this video here with you guys.
Sam Callahan is among those who called this long before anyone else. He's the author of the Newsblock newsletter, among many other skills he brings to the table. So, Sam, the world is going your way. Some are saying that hitting 100,000 a coin is going to be an inflection point, but maybe a sell-off point as well. What do you say?
Well, I think we're just getting started, Neil, and thanks for having me on the show. I mean, it's an exciting time. Bitcoiners have been talking about 100K for a long time. People laughed at us, but what we really knew is that Bitcoin adoption would continue, because ultimately what Bitcoin is a barometer of global liquidity. As governments continue to spend, as deficits continue to widen, as they continue to borrow money and print money, well, Bitcoin's going to be a big beneficiary of that. I recently did a report with Lynn Alden that looked into exactly this. We found that Bitcoin moved in the same direction as global liquidity 83% of the time on every 12-month period for the last 10 years. And so as the money printer goes up, as global liquidity conditions go up, Bitcoin will go up. And I think that's what we're seeing here, along with a positive regulatory environment, with a pro-Bitcoin administration taking office, Congress turning Bitcoin positive. I mean, this is an exciting time for Bitcoin adoption.
Do you worry that you're in a bit of a melt up here, though, Sam? It happens to market averages, regular market averages, when they climb very far, very fast. And of course, this has been a precipitous run, better than 40% since Donald Trump was elected. Court is already up a lot, substantially on the year, about 140%. And that some give back, pullback is in order, no matter those fundamentals. What do you think?
Well, look, Bitcoin is volatile in the short term. I think we can all agree on that. But over the long term, the trend is clear. And if you look at what I just mentioned with a pro-administration taking office, we also have 276 pro-crypto candidates take office in the House, and as well as 20 pro-Bitcoin candidates take office in the Senate. They're going to elect, pro-Bitcoin leaders at regulatory agencies, as well as the infrastructures in place now to actually get exposure to Bitcoin. With the launch of the Bitcoin ETFs, we just got options trading approved on those products. So really, I think what we're seeing is the entire Wall Street, as well as Main Street, kind of catch up and realize that Bitcoin's not going anywhere. And so to me, this isn't that crazy to see Bitcoin being traded at these levels. I think that it's kind of just getting started from here. We're just seeing kind of the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Bitcoin being adopted by Wall Street and Main Street.
Yeah, and now countries, as well as a number of firms, are building up Bitcoin reserves. You alluded to the fact that you could trade ETF options on Bitcoin. So it is getting widespread exposure here. We'll see how it goes. Sam, thank you very much. Sam Callahan.
Well, there you have it, guys. Definitely stay bullish in the market. Everybody's bullish in the market. We got the the pro crypto administration coming into office, guys. Like he said, there's over around 276 senators and congressmen that are in office, and they're all pro crypto, guys. So I do see a massive Bitcoin and crypto cycle this time around, guys. Bitcoin might even get to 250K, guys, and if that's the case, we're going to see our favorite altcoins moon, guys. Some are probably going to do 10x, 100x, even 1000x. Some of our lower market cap coins. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And a lot of altcoins are already popping off, guys. Like I mentioned, even ADA is already popping off. I mean, ADA is already at $1.08. I mean, everybody was saying that ADA was dead. It got to as low as 23 cents. So if you're a Cardano holder, congratulations, you're doing really good right now, and it'll probably get to higher prices. Doge, one of our channel favorites, I mean, it got as high as 47 cents, almost basically 48 cents. So right now current price is 45 cents. So Doge is definitely mooning. I've heard some analysts saying that Doge could even get to $4, You know, some people are predicting Doge to $4, and I think it's very possible if Bitcoin gets to 250K or above. You know, Doge might get to $4. But my realistic price prediction for Doge, check out my Doge price prediction. But just summarize it real quick. I do see Doge, topping off, around $2, guys. You know, for sure, I think it get to $1. Like, that's like my bearish case scenario. It's $1, and but my extra bullish case scenario for Doge is $2. But you never know, guys. I mean, I'm just being conservative. There's like a 10% chance it could get to $4, but I'm probably gonna be selling most of my Doge around $1.50 to $2. That's where I'm gonna be selling my Doge, just to lock in some good profits, because you don't know if it will hit $4. That is a high target, but it's a small chance it could get there, guys. Avalanche is 21% up for the day. It's already got as high as 44.74. I do see Avalanche, doing mega gains this cycle. Hopefully you bought it around like, $9 at the low. I do see, Avalanche getting to anywhere around like $600 is my realistic case scenario. But there is a small chance it could get up to like $800 as well, guys. So don't miss out on Avalanche too. And in case you guys didn't know, Avalanche, they recently had like Web3 video game awards, and basically Avalanche cleaned up. Avalanche took the best game of the year, which was Off the Grid. It took the best best of everything of video games. I think MapleStory won some awards, but Off the Grid basically took all the awards, like best game of the year, best graphics, best multiplayer, best shooting. Off the Grid took all the awards for Web3 gaming for the year, guys. So don't miss out on Avalanche. It's also a real world asset play. It's got a lot of real world asset that is barely going to start coming out on Avalanche, guys. JP Morgan's got his private coin Onyx coin on there, not to be confused with XCN, which is also called Onyx coin, which, by the way, XCN is a layer 2 on Ethereum, which is also a very good play. It's still low market cap. I mean, if you got some dry powder and you're looking for a coin to invest in that hasn't mooned or had a lot of upside yet, I definitely will look into XCN, Ethereum layer 2. It's a DeFi coin. Definitely look into XCN, guys, if you guys want some good returns once the Ethereum ecosystem starts popping off. So yeah, a lot of coins have been popping off. Ethereum hasn't been, it's only gone up a little bit, but it hasn't been popping off that much. But which leads me to believe that Ethereum will probably it's going to be a lagger. But I mean, it's still going to run hard. But I'm thinking Ethereum might be one of the last ecosystem. Ethereum and its ecosystem might be one of the last ones to start mooning. But once Ethereum and starts running hard, though, that's when I think the official altcoin season is going to start. Right now, everything's popping off. A lot of random coins are popping off. But I mean, like, once you start seeing the 100x's and the 1000x moves for the altcoins, I think that will happen once Ethereum starts running. And probably Ethereum is going to start running sometime at the end of December or beginning of January, guys. So I think either there's going to be a Christmas rally for Ethereum or a beginning of the New Year rally for Ethereum, and that's when I think the Bitcoin dominance will go below 55%, and that's when I think the official altcoin season will begin, and that's when we'll start seeing the 100x's and the 1000x gains for our favorite altcoins, guys. Bitcoin dominance right now is still pretty high, 58.43. The greed is high, 87. So everything is still pretty greedy, and that's why it's the Bitcoin show right now. But once it drops to 55% dominance, we'll get into the real altcoin season. And but the total cryptocurrency market cap is still going up. It's already at 3.34 trillion. That's the highest it's ever been. So we're making new all-time highs for the total crypto market cap. So that's great news, guys. Last time we topped off at I believe was I think it was 3 trillion was the total cryptocurrency market cap. So now we're already at 3.34 trillion, guys. So we're already past the last all-time high on the current market cap. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Let's keep looking at the bubbles, see what else is popping off. We got DOT, even DOT, I mean, which is a lagger, you know, basically it's been a stable coin all year. It's, you know, 20% up for the day. It's at $7.46. This is a good one if you still got some dry powder and you want to invest to a big cap. This might be a good one because the all-time low is only $2.69. So basically, you're only up, you know, like a little bit, like 150% up. You're only up 150% up out of the all-time low, which is $2.69. So I mean, there's still a lot of upside for Polkadot in its ecosystem, guys. So if you're late to the crypto investing right now, maybe the Polkadot and its ecosystem might be a good ones to invest in. That and like XCN and the Ethereum layer 2s that haven't popped off yet might be some good ones to pick right now if you're late in the game, guys. But now if you were early in the game like me and most of you guys, you're probably enjoying the green days. You're probably up in your portfolio. Everything is mooning, guys. So stay bullish on the crypto market, guys. Let's see what else is popping up. Algorand, you know, which everybody thought was dead at 8 cents. You know, 8 cents was a great price for Algorand. That was the all-time low. If you would have picked up Algorand at 8 cents, you'd be up like, you know, like 400% already. So you know, it's got as high as 31 cents. So you'd be up almost 4x on Algorand if you would have picked it up at 8 cents, guys. You know, so there's a lot of good coins out there, guys. Even Link's starting to move. Link's been very slow, but I think Link is going to be one of those laggers because the bear market low was $5, so you're only up 200% off the bear market low. So this might be a good one if you're looking for a safe play, like a big cap play. You know, Chainlink's not going anywhere. It's not going to go to zero. It's not going to get rug pull. You know, Chainlink might be a good play. Check out my Chainlink price prediction video if you want to see what price targets to hit there. Yep. And we got XRP. You're not too late in XRP yet. I do see XRP topping off around $15, and I do see XLM topping off, you know, somewhere between $3 and $5. I think XLM is going to do great because it's got a lower market cap than XRP. So I think XRP and XLM are going to do great this cycle, guys. Crow's actually down, but you can't fade Crow, guys. It did get as high as 20 cents. You know, I do believe it got as low as like 5 cents at the bear market low. So if you would have bought Crow at 5 cents, you'd be up like almost a 4x. And don't miss out on the Chrono ecosystem, guys. It's got a lot of meme coins. It's got Crow with Knife. It's got Mary. A lot of meme coins on the Crow blockchain. Definitely don't want to miss out on those. You don't want to miss out on Dip. You know, Buy the Dip. That's another you know, a good you know, meme coin. If you haven't bought into a meme coin, Dip, Crow with Knife with the ticker CAW, Mary. A lot of good ones on Crow, guys, that I think are going to do good this cycle. Also, don't miss out on the AVAX meme coins, guys. AVAX also got a lot of good meme coins. You got Cockinu with the COQ. You got Corgi AI. You got Kimbo. So a lot of good meme coins on AVAX, guys. So don't miss out on the ecosystem at AVAX. And of course, you don't want to miss out on the Solana ecosystem. Like I said yesterday, Solana's already hit a new all-time high up over 260. I think it got as high as 261. So I mean, look out for the Solana meme coins. They're gonna do good this bull run cycle. You got Bonk. You got a bunch of good ones. You know, on Solana like Popcat, Bonk. There's a lot of them out there, guys. Let me pull it up. I went over it yesterday, but let me just go over it real quick again in case you guys didn't see the live stream yesterday. You know, a lot of good meme coins on the Solana ecosystem. You got Bonk, dog with hat. You got Peanut, the squirrel with the ticker PNUT. You got Mew, which is given away on the Seeker phone, the new phone by Solana. A lot of good ones. Book of Meme. Yeah, so a lot of good meme coins. You got ACT, Act1, the AI prophecy. Punky, Ponke. Mudang. I mean, you know, Solana is the #1 meme coin blockchain. A lot of good ones, but it's good to you know, go for those low market cap ones. but these higher market cap ones right here are also going to do good too, guys. So yeah, look into your favorite Solana and meme coins, guys, and you should reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So yeah, guys, just wanted to give you guys this update on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. I do see Bitcoin breaking 100,000 here within the next day or two, and once we break 100,000, we're gonna blast off and go through 110k. We're gonna go through 120k, and I do believe we're gonna go through 130k and probably do a local top around 140k, guys, and then we'll start a 30% correction from there. But don't get shaken out. You know, things are very bullish. Maybe we'll have a shorter correction. Maybe we'll only have like a 20% correction. I wouldn't be trying to sell off the top and buy back in the correction, because you might get left behind, guys. Right now, I mean, unless you're like a pro trader, and if you are a pro trader, then you know kudos to you. But unless you're a pro trader, I would just be holding right now. Just hold your favorite cryptocurrency or Bitcoin and sell in 2025 to reap the rewards. And I do see March of 2025 a good time to be selling your favorite cryptocurrency, or at least taking some profits to lock in some good gains, because I do see bearish things coming in after March 14, March 15. I do see a massive correction for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies after March 14 of 2025, guys. Well, I hope you guys liked the video, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's make this channel grow. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.